Welcome. Thank you for joining our latest Jargon Buster guide on features, or points, lines, and polygons. In this guide, we will be expanding on the term features to uncover what a feature is and how they are used. So, what is a feature? A feature is essentially a representation of a real-world object on a map. But how does this relate to points, lines, and polygons? Well, in Geographical Information Systems, there are typically three styles used to represent real-world objects, and these are points, lines, and polygons. So, let's take you through each feature type to show you how they look on a map. Firstly, points. A point is a small single feature that you can place on a map, such as an address or location, a small landmark such as a building, and a shop, etc. On this map, you can see that points are being represented by a yellow dot, but these can be changed to different colors, shapes, or even replaced with stylized icons similar to those used on paper maps. Points are great for mapping things such as customer locations or the location of assets and points of interest. Secondly, lines. Lines represent the shape and location of geographic objects too narrow to depict as areas such as street center lines and streams. They can also be used to represent features that have length but no area, such as contour lines and boundaries. On this map, for example, we can see the lines here represent different rivers and waterways across the African continent. Lines are useful for mapping such data as walking, running, or driving routes, streams, rivers, and roads. Finally, polygons. A polygon is defined as a plane figure with at least three straight sides and angles. They are used to represent the shapes and location of different types of data. This could be anything from a city block or patch of vegetation through to state or county borders or land use zones. As can be seen in this map, we have used polygons to represent all the different townland areas across the island of Ireland. Other uses for polygons include the mapping of land or building assets, exclusion or safety zones, and residential or commercial areas, among others. We hope this guide has given you insight into features and how best to use either points, lines, or polygons. If you have any questions, please leave these in the comments below.